Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? We have some more spoilers, but this time I'm happy to say that it is for Fabfitfun, and this is the spring box for 2020. Now, if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription that is $49.99, so you're going to receive it every winter, spring, summer, and fall. This is a lifestyle box, so you're going to receive beauty products, skincare, stuff for your home, stuff for exercising. I mean, the list just goes on. So if you're interested in Fabfitfun, make sure you check out my link in the description below because I also have a discount code for you for $10 off your first box. Now, if you're a select member, you will receive early access to customize your box between February 2nd and February 5th. Now, for everyone else, you'll be customizing your box between February 15th and February 18th. We're going to start off with the first customization, and this is available to all subscribers. You'll be able to choose from one of 5 items. The first item is from Summer and Rose, and this is the Navy Diamond Tote. This is actually a throwback. I've received this bag already in a past box. And the next one is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. Now, these types of devices I'm always very iffy on, so I'm really interested if it actually works. And then next we have the Cabana Diamond Woven Rug. Next we have the Donny Ribbed Sweater Coat. Now I'm really curious on this item because I've received wraps and shawls in the past, and sometimes the quality has been a real hit or miss. Now here is the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Nesting Bowls, and this is a set of 3. And this is also a throwback. And it was a really popular item, so I'm glad they did throw it back because now it's my opportunity to get it this time around. And the last item in this category is the Alamis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. This is a really good brand for skincare, so you can't go wrong with this one. Now here's customization number 2, and once again, this is for all subscribers. You'll be able to choose from one of the 6 following items. The first item in this category is the Cal-Pac Packing Cubes. This is a set of 3, and they are huge. It's like having dresser drawers in your suitcase. Next is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink Up H2O Hydrating Booster. This is a gel moisturizer, and it consists of electrolytes which help keep moisture into your skin. Next, you have the Murad Rapid Collagen Infused Treatment. This is really going to plump and smooth out your skin, and this has more of a cream and gel combination texture. Next is the Shoshana Floral Print Umbrella. Now, this umbrella is a good size that's perfect for the rain, but with the ruffles around the rim, it makes it perfect for the summer as well. The next product is from one of my favorite skincare lines. This is 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Now this booster retails for $135, but if that doesn't blow you away, it actually has gold flakes inside it. So you can add a few drops to your moisturizer, you can add it directly to your skin, you could even put it as a primer under your makeup to give you that glow dewy look. And then next we have the Tarte's Pro Glow Highlight and Contouring Palette. This is also a throwback, but it's a really good palette. It has magnetic doors, you have your 2 mirrors. It's a really sturdy palette, and it's perfect for your entire face. So you are able to contour, highlight, bronze, you name it, you got it with this palette. And next is customization number 3, and this is for all subscribers. You will be able to choose one of the 5 following items. The first item in this category is the Amber Seeds Double Coin Necklace. This is a double layered necklace, and it's in the color gold, made of metal and steel. Now the next item is the Gravity Weighted Sleeping Mask, and this mask has a weighted touch on your face. Not only is it to block out the light, but it also hits all your trigger points on your face. Next, we have the Way 2-in-1 Pure Fine and Glow Mask Collection. It has 4 brown sugar masks and 4 gold root masks. It also has a brush applicator with the wooden handle, which makes it easy for application. Next is the Cosmetic Pure C. This is another throwback that I wish I would have selected. This is the most potent vitamin C that you can get. You just pour a little bit of the crystals in your moisturizer or your serum, and then you will feel bright, beautiful, and refreshed. Last but not least, I'm going to take a breath on this one. It's the Green Goo Hibiscus Plant-Based Body Scrub. And this is another throwback, and it has sugar in it that's going to just help exfoliate your skin. Fabfitfun has also announced this spring's magazine cover girl, actress Gina Rodriguez, who has also personally selected this season's charity. Now I'm going to go over these important dates just to make sure they're clear. So for customization and add-ons for select members only, add-ons will be available on February 1st through the 5th. And then customization will start on February 2nd through the 5th. And then for everybody else, you'll be able to have access to add-ons on February 14th through the 18th. And then customization will be from February 15th through the 18th. So what do you think of the spoilers so far? I think they look pretty good. And remember, there's still a couple more spoilers that will be revealed. And as soon as I get the information, I'll definitely keep you updated. And also, I have a giveaway going on right now. So make sure you check out my link in the description below. In case you haven't participated, you'll be able to have the opportunity to do so. And one more thing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video, a spoiler, and anything I have for you. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below. Or my next video, whichever comes first.